And okay, guys, so good morning again, and let's get started. So, do you agree that we should look together the website and see, besides what it need to be fixed, but something else?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, Jose, you agree?
Yep.
Okay, so let me share my screen and we take a look at the website and please tell me what do you think should be done? Because I want to kind of get that done and then we go back and start, you know, polishing the paper, getting the presentation ready. Perhaps we can meet before the meeting, the presentation, and do some try that's recommended so we don't get nervous at the
So
moment of the
for the presentation,
presentation.
are we doing a PowerPoint or are we presenting the website?
I think it's a PowerPoint.
Okay.
Yes, we do like a summary of everything we've been doing. Right, so let's see. Okay, let me say okay here. Let me lower this. Okay, so now, as you can see here, this is the optimization. Why I've been leaving this for the last? For a reason that as better as the website is with the images, videos, design, font, they take on consideration everything. So then now it's gonna be a little bit more easier to get this optimized. So let me show you exactly what is gonna happen. So let's see, this is the about page. Okay, okay, you see here? We have here, this is orange, right?
Yes.
So this is okay. The really the target here is a green. Because remember, we need to do this as good as it is, because with that we can may put some ads, and unless we have up higher than 95%, we cannot really get a chance to add ads and start being in there more active. So let me see. Okay. So all this, as you can see here, the title, the meta description, you see all this stuff, like this is around here. What is the link? You see, it's a lot of things that we need to be done in here. But as I said, it's gonna be done a little bit later. So this is one of the most important things we had to do. But it's something that I will address today for good because it need to be done. Okay, let's go to HelpMate and see. Okay, this is what the user is gonna see once they open this website. So if you are a user, tell me what you see. Tell me if it's good in the eyes, if you feel this appealing, if it's not too much. For instance, it's a website of a company called Accenture. It is very, futuristic and everything. However, let me show you something here. The colors sometimes can be overwhelming. You see, they what they use is white, of course, black and purple, because that's the logo of the company.
Yeah.
I mean, it's elegant, is technology, is very nice. But what I try to point out in here is the colors.
Mm-hmm.
Some people can find this overwhelming, like in here, what it says in there. Okay,
That's too much.
okay, so that's what I want you to take in consideration when you look at this. And remember, that's a consulting company. They offer technology, stuff like that. So maybe that work for them. But this is designed for people like middle class people, people like us that we want something simple, make a simple life.
Yeah.
So if I go and do something complicated, people can find anything. it's going to be difficult for people to stay in the page. That's my logic. That's why I need you both to tell me. I have my notes in here. So you are a new user. You saw HelpMate in one of the social media, then you go to HelpMate. So you come in here, you see this, you click the video. Personally, I see videos more than a minute and I say, okay, no, I go. Then you see this, small picture, but it says what it need to says. A little bit designing the letters to make it pop up the services, the student hub. Very, very simple, right? The logo, the map, and video again. So here they open Facebook, okay, of course. By the way, this look really, really good. I told my husband to like us, to follow us, and maybe
I saw
he may
someone follow us. Yeah.
see. Yes, so let's see. Okay, okay, let's go back here. Let's go Instagram. Working. I just showing you that it's working, that it's going in there, right?
That's one.
TikTok. This is a little tedious. It's just opening this blank, but apparently the problem is my browser. Maybe one of
Oh,
you in a little while can try it. Maybe
all
I
right.
need to do something in the browser to make it open the email. Anyhow, but if you, any of you had time to kind of try to do this and check if it worked for you, so it's good.
Mhm.
All right then. So this is the home. Now, I don't want to go back here, right? Let's go to services here. Let's say I don't want to see this anymore. So this is a design that I need to change because it doesn't look good there. Let's see. Now in here, I need your opinion about this because these buttons, they're gonna take us straight to the same page. It's not like they're going anywhere because it's services.
Yeah.
I don't know if you want to keep it for looks. It's still moving, they're still going. A lot of websites do that. You click a button and take you to the top of the line where the section is, right?
Yeah.
Remember, all this is services. It's gonna take you there. I would say I keep it because, they look good. So they had the little design in here, but it's up to you guys. So home, this is home, people cleaning, a little description, spell home services. Um, Pet care, I make the pictures smaller and the description, helping students to stay in
I
track.
like it.
And here again, the, the footer and the menu again. All right, so let's try here about. This is when we tell the story, what we want to do. Apparently this little space here gives readability to the user, so it doesn't look too crowded. So apparently that's a good way to go in websites. So that's why I leave it like that. In here, we gotta figure it out how to add whatever they do in Facebook is gonna appear in here, like live. Anybody to say, oh, nice or whatever,
Yeah.
we gotta check that. Oh, let me go here. So a contact page. Simple. A little bit, information, contact us, and the same footer. So, do you want to keep it like that or you want to delete mode?
The dark mode is nice. I like it.
I like it for the eyes. Jose,
Yeah.
what you think about this dark mode? Because I can change it to light blue to dark blue.
Uh, I would say I kind of like it that way.
It look nice because these three colors. So as you can see, we had the white or the black. That's the background, right? We had the green. We all chose the letters. This is kind of gray. and the gold in the menus and the buttons. So we
Yeah.
had three colors there that they they don't look bad together, say it like that way.
Yeah.
So the website, what I need to do what I'm gonna add you all to the analytics. Let me show you the analytics before forget. When you go to the website, remember my dears, when you're gonna go to the website, you just put a text in the WhatsApp. So we let everybody know that I'm going, so I can say, okay, give me 5 minutes, I'm gonna log off, and then you can go,
All right.
or vice versa. So when you want to check the analytics in here, in the week two, I add the plugin. See, let me show you the plugin here. Um, this is Sidekick by Google. This is the analytics plugin, right? So it's in here, you see? So we have these visitors, got all these, you see, by location. So United States is the most, somebody from France, someone from Argentina, and other countries. Total
People checked it?
impression.
Oh,
Ah,
wow. So people
yeah,
checked it.
these
Wow.
people from this, but I'm gonna go to the website and show you more. So this is what we have in here. It's taking so long. You see? Look at these numbers. Most of the people have looked in services,
Yeah.
engagement rate 100%. Uh, pets about this page. It got to this. I had to disappear. Contact, you see?
Yeah.
So,
That's wonderful.
mhm. So
Do
we
you
need to
think,
connect the ads.
is it too late to add a page? Do you think, or
No, we can
like
add a
a,
page anytime.
the button for the login or sign up?
Yes, I can make a form. In fact, I can change that form and make a sign up. As I said, it's a lot of things we're gonna be able, ideas. Everybody has an idea. Bring it to the table that we make it work or we discuss. But this requires three brains. So we're gonna do it.
Mm.
Another thing, the blog, my dear. I need the
Oh,
blog
yes.
to
Yes.
create the blog, the page. Now,
I
so
have.
this is the analytics in here. But if you go, okay, let me see. Let me close this one. Come on.
Also, do you guys want to write down like the points for the presentation? Like what we need each page to have or
Oh,
what
that
to
would
talk
be
about?
good. So that would be good. So we got to define the roles too.
Yeah.
Let me write that down. So what I'm gonna do? Okay, Google Console. Once you got access, you go to Google. I'm gonna give you instructions. Once I unable to add you both. So Google Console search, right? You get it started. HelpMate, right? And this is more detail. You see, more detailed analytics. It's a
Yeah.
lot of things that doesn't have data because this is so young. So insights, a lot of new features. Let's see performance. You see, it's kind of going up and down, but that's something that is expected. This is very, very, very new. URL inspection. So I'm gonna share all with you when I have a little bit, few moments. So in 24 hours, 7 days. I don't think it has 28 days. It's just been short. It's only 3 weeks that we have this website. So once you add it, you can, look up this and, get informed how we doing. Okay, so let me start sharing this screen. So let me go back in here. Where is it? So tell me, is anything do you want to change in here? What you think? I just want to make sure how these look. Remember, these websites are always in continual growth. They always doing updates, always changing. So that's important to understand. So it may not look perfect now, but we have something that delivers. I see
Yeah.
websites worse than this, honestly. Way worse. I mean,
No, you're
worse.
right.
This
You're
one
right.
I got to change. You see, this little helmet is bigger than this one. So
Yeah.
something I have to do.
I like it though.
Okay. So Jose, tell me.
Um, I'll be honest with you. It's good. It's good, but I was like, should we like make the logo a little bit bigger?
Let me tell you what happened. I have it bigger. I have here, right? Big, nice helpmate. So when Professor Monica was helping me to create the form, right? She said, no, that's too big. A logo's supposed to be small. And she took me to some websites and showed me, you see, it's a small, it's a small. So that's why I agree with you. That's what I wanted to do. That's what I did in the beginning. But she said, no, that's not good with the design, this and that. But maybe later we just change it,
Yeah.
You know what we can do as well? I don't want to do it now, but I'm going to show you that it's possible. It is in here. Let me go. I don't want to take a lot of time to this. Okay, edit with Elementor, right?
Mm.
You go, we go and do here global settings. We can create a background with the helmet, like a watermark in a view. So like in here, right? In the background, it's going to be handmade, but a very subtle colors that nobody noticed. So maybe I can do something like that and show you. And then make because it's a lot of people recognize brands because of their logo. So it is a great idea to make it pop up some way or another. So I'm going to try to do that, and then we can see it like here in the background in one of the section or the all sections perhaps. It's right subtle here, like in the background, helpmate. And so I don't know if you agree with that.
Hold on. Like in the
I-
background?
Yes, maybe I can try later and show you on if it's not we delete it, that's it. Just because we cannot put it in here, but it's all right.
Yeah,
It's a,
try it and see.
yes. All right, so mm, let me out of here. And here we have fine, fine a paper. Okay. We all received this. I put this in the chat. This is pretty much everything we have done, all the models, right? So this is the final paper. Um, we need to work in this because this is kind of the final. Oh, I had the blog. Thank you.
Yeah.
So we here obviously we gotta put here helpmate. If we had to put our names in here, the college name. I guess in here we had to Linden
Yeah.
and date.
So what else do we need to add to this?
Okay, we had the pestle, right?
Yes.
What I don't understand is that she said that look at all this here. I don't know what is a stakeholder.
Analysis.
Yes, this one I don't remember doing this.
I don't think we did that. We did
Yes,
a VRO,
diamond. I don't know this one.
EE.
So no, this matrix we did the matrix. I
We
remember
did a
Jose did
matrix, yeah.
one. I did another one. This one I don't know. So I guess we put everything we had. The first, the
Yeah.
pastel, um, create this table. So how we gonna do this? How we gonna divide this? I can work with the tables if you wanna send something. I can help you with the tables that is time consuming since you're gonna do some of the work. Um, maybe Jose, what you think you can help with this paper? What you think you can? Maybe you can read it and make sure it has no mistakes.
Yeah, I
Uh,
can do that.
okay. Miss Mac, when do you think you can have some sort of, you know, some of these ready,
Sort of what
like a draft?
of the paper?
Yes,
Uh
just
so
a draft. Yeah, yeah, let's like the
what we
structure.
have right now is the VIRL analysis, the pastel. Can you scroll up a little bit? Let me see.
Yes, of course.
And we don't have the stakeholder, right? We didn't do that,
Exactly. So I don't understand. We had this one.
right? And we have different matrices, right? We have what was the matrix that you did? Was it G something?
The
The analysis
BCG.
BCG, yes, BCG analysis, and Jose did another one.
Hmm.
So we could add that under
So
the
let me open something in here. 5 minutes. Okay, we have time. So we had the pestle, right? We can
yes,
add the pestle first, like in the order we've been working, you see?
yeah,
All this together, the environment, the task rabbit,
that's right.
um,
The module.
HelpMate, competitor analysis, all this, right?
Hmm.
And then we add the tables at the end. All
Yes.
this one, one, two, three. And then at the end, the GE and matrix, the
This is this
BRIO, and
sorry, I'm sorry.
is
This is the
this
zip file
continue?
you sent me, right?
Yes, this is
Okay,
exactly what I
great.
sent,
All
what I
right, no
sent
problem.
yesterday in the chat.
No problem. So the tables, the e-commerce, the module 3 and the BCG matrix is that
Yes, so these three, right? I
that's
remember I did this one.
uh-huh.
Jose, you
Jose did
did
the
the
GE
GE, and I did
and
and you did the
VRI.
BRIO. So these ones put it at the end, and all these tables like merchant, free profit and loss. Okay, this one gotta be, it's not, it's profit and loss. Oh, maybe I sent you the wrong one. Let me see. Oh, no, 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 no. This is not ours. Send you the wrong one. This is the sample they gave us.
Okay.
Let me trust this.
I was also thinking of getting started with the
Oh, no, no, no.
representation.
Okay. So once you have this, we put it in the chat and we both review and try to make it look better.
Mhm.
And, because when you're working in something so long, it's like you can see anymore, right?
Yeah,
But once my eyes, Jose eyes, take a look, we can improve. That's why we are a team together. Okay.
yeah,
Now, something else, something else. Oh, the presentation.
yes.
Mm,
Should we assign roles?
yes, roles. Okay. What are the roles? I guess it is social media managers.
Yes. So
So,
for us, it would have to be slash something because there's a lot. It's a lot of
yeah,
work to
social
do.
media manager, video creation is one.
Or
Jose,
marketing manager, marketing something.
I think Jose is the marketing manager. He did
Yeah,
all some of the papers exactly. Jose, you agree that?
Yeah.
Marketing manager.
marketing manager. All right.
And social media, right? Social media uh, manager assistant, something. No, this is what we do. It is assistant. Okay, let's hope this is business. Jose. I guess me is gonna be uh, team. They say a manager, but I don't wanna call myself manager. So
I'll,
project manager for that matter.
I'll
That's when you,
combine
I don't like it.
it.
And developer, something like that.
Yes, team manager
Uh,
slash developer.
um, Nobody got it. Okay, social media manager, video creation. Gotta be something else with the papers. Because papers took so much time.
What role
Okay,
do we assign me? I don't know what to put for me.
I put you social media manager, video creation. Jose, marketing manager, social media
Uh,
assistant, because it help you a little bit too with that.
the social
Uh,
media kind of falls under marketing, so that's that.
but because you created the accounts,
Yeah,
uh, yes, I cannot put anything social media for me because I didn't do anything with social
I know.
media.
Yeah,
Just to add the link. So, okay. So when it comes to the presentation, I had to start, present the team, and also explain and everybody speak about the challenge, the learning curve. So what we can do is that working all this. Tomorrow we gotta meet again to touch base in what we're gonna do today, and also Sunday or Saturday. Does anybody has a little bit time in the morning, like Jose, before you go work? At least 20 minutes. We don't even need to record the meeting. Oh, it's gonna cut. I'm gonna send another link, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Then we discuss this. Hmm.